welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. This is Gladys here. Listen, I'm so excited to have you guys coming back every week. Listen, it goes straight down to my heart. Thank you so much. I appreciate you all. But today we are getting decorated. We are getting ready to decorate for springtime. Yes, I know we are in March, and March brings you joy, brings you peace. It's closer to April, it's closer to May, and it just basically tells you that spring is near and everybody's doing all the spring things. So we are going to go ahead and get everything all taken care of, and we're going to decorate. We're going to clean. My home needs some cleaning, and I'm going to take you guys with me. If you're new here, my name is Gladys, and I will show you guys everything as we go, so that if you get inspired, you can go and purchase. If you don't find the exact same thing, you can find something that is similar. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Let's go. Simplicity has become my norm. Less has become my more. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gladys. If you're new here, you're interested in living the clutter-free, simple and minimal lifestyle, you will love this channel. Go ahead and click on that red subscribe button. I would love to have you here. All the oldies but goodies, I appreciate you for returning every week. God bless you. Let's continue the video. So this year, I'm going to use as much of the things that I already have in my home. The only thing that's going to be new here is going to be my little bunny, which you'll get to see. But I just love that cute little bunny. But we're going to get vacuuming here. I love vacuuming my floors. Like, it doesn't matter if it's not dirty. I like to vacuum it. It gets rid of like the matted look. So if it's matted or if it looks like it's all bunched up together, vacuum makes it look, really nice. So I got these floral stems from Hobby Lobby a few years ago, and I'm just going to use them and decorate the table with it. Let's keep watching. So decorating definitely takes time. It's not something that, you just do it once and it looks perfect. Sometimes it will look perfect at your first try. Sometimes you have to try it, and that's the same thing with this throw blanket. Oh my God, I almost died. I was like, what is going on? I could have cut this out of the video, but I wanted to show you guys true life, how, we struggle trying to come up with content and make it look good. But finally, I decided to just leave it flop there, and yeah.
In love, you set my wheels in motion. I'm going crazy for you. I feel like the ocean. I can see you want this too.
So if you're still here and watching, go ahead and write spring in the comments below. I will truly appreciate it. Thank you so much for those who are still watching the video. Stay tuned, there's more fun to come. And also, if you're liking the video, go ahead and click on the like button. It basically tells YouTube to show this video to other people. Thank you so much, guys. Let's continue. So I really wanted to do something simple on that table. I don't want things that will clutter the table or things that we have to move left and right. I just want something simple on the table so that when we sit here when the kids are doing their homework, when we're eating, it's not something that's blocking the view, right? Okay.
I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm come a little closer. I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing. Making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my call.
So much, guys, for watching the entire video. I'm going out in slow-mo. This is going to be all for the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please stay tuned for more videos coming your way. This is going to be a series. This is part 1. There's going to be part 2, part 3, until I decorate my entire home for spring. Thank you, guys. Stay tuned for full house tour as well, right? Wouldn't that be fun to do an entire house tour of spring? I can't wait to show you guys. Bye, guys. See ya.